Monkey shoulder. What? How many turn over does so we have the left? Cool. We have the Chivas. For the Chivas, how many age do we have? So we have Chivas 12 and Chivas 18. There have also more age, right? So now, let's go with the American brand. American brand whiskey. What do we have in our list? Jack Daniels. Bullet. Jack Daniels. Bullet. Woodford. Soon we have also Maker's Mark in the way already. We don't have Jimmy on this one. Tennessee, we do have brand whiskey, which is Jack Daniels. Number 7, what number 7? We have also Jack Daniels. Okay, cool. So we do have also Irish whiskey. As I said, Irish whiskey is very different from other whiskey. It's special because it's triple distilled. Okay, and we use it and multiple body. Alright, cool. Any questions regarding the whiskey? That's a very good question. So, blended whiskey. Let's say this is the distillery. Okay? This is the distillery. So, blended whiskey, single malt whiskey, for example, Glenlivet Distillery. So, Glenlivet is making their own whiskey. They don't borrow to other distilleries in the Scotland. They're making their own whiskey, and they are